Do you want to know how you can log into your Telus International AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Telus International AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Rez browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Telus International AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Telus International. You can log in using your email address. What you need to do is write down your email address in this section over here and then click continue. After a while, you can see this password option. Go ahead and write down the password to your Telus International account and then click sign in. This way, you can successfully sign into your Telus International.ai account. You can hide or unhide your password anytime by clicking on this eye icon which is over here. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you don't have an account yet and want to create a Telus International.ai account, go ahead and click sign up. I hope this video about how you can log into your Telus International.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.